Today, while I was working at the table saw, I thought I'd share with you one of my other handy tools. But before I get started, let me say up front, you can save your breath, you can save your time. I know you can make a better one. I could make a better one too, but this is a handy tool that I've found is extremely helpful in the workshop, and I've used it for many years now. And that's my bench dog push lock. Yes, you can make a better push block than this. I could make a better one. But this is one that I found is very handy because it sits right here on my table saw. It's always there, ready to go. This bench dog push block system has worked very well for me. I've enjoyed using it. The push block itself is actually very well designed. It has a long piece here with some rubber on it to help grip the wood. Yes, I've managed to clip it once with the table saw blade. The back has a piece that hangs down that pushes against the back of the wood. The handle is offset to keep the hand away from the saw blade. And it's narrow enough that if I have a narrow cut like this, I can go right through and not run into the saw blade with the push block. This push block system also has a great place, perfect place for storing my remote for my table saw. And as you can see too, it has a place here for pencils. I can almost always find a pencil here in the shop. I usually keep a mechanical pencil in there, several regular pencils, and I even keep one of my white pencils, if I can get it out here, one of my white pencils that I use for marking dark wood. And those are usually here in the shop. And I can't say that for most of my other tools. I never can find the pencils anyplace else. So this has been a real nice system for me. I even keep the piece that goes at the end of my miter sled in here, my miter gauge. So there's the bench dog push lock system. Now before you go rushing off, if you have something similar to this that you've made and you have on your table saw, I'd love to see some links to it. And I'm sure others that saw this video would like to see links to what you've done as well. If you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up down below. Ask any questions and leave those links to your system that you made that's very similar to this. I'd love to see them. Thank you very much for watching.